Okay. It's taking one.
Uh-oh. Take one.
All right.
Neil and Chef Wang,
going.
take one
All
ginger
right.
beef. You ready, Neil?
So where do we start again?
Okay, let's mix the coating. So let's do flour.
Okay, just
So
flour today?
This is the flour. That one's half and half.
What do you think? How many?
Yeah, that's another half.
Half?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
And
Crispy
then
ginger beef, Neil.
we're
Little
gonna
bit
put
of
the egg. Yeah, you can put all the rest. Yeah, that's
Okay.
good. And then, okay, so
There's too many dishes going on here for me right now.
so light soy sauce.
Light soy sauce?
That's right.
Okay.
Over there.
Just a little dash.
Oh, the carvers are on. Just a little dash.
Right on. Yeah,
Right there?
yeah,
That's
little
right.
splash.
Okay.
And then, what's next?
Stir.
Well, this goes with the sauce, right?
Let's put a little bit of water.
Oh, a little bit of water because we're making the
Yeah.
meat.
Okay, that's
Good.
good. And we want to put a little bit.
Is this
Oh,
salt?
that's too
A
much.
little bit.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
That's good. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey,
And
easy on the
then,
salt.
that should be good.
Color?
And just mix it.
A little color, or we're good?
Yeah.
Want
Dark
a little
soy.
color?
That's right. We need to put dark soy sauce.
We need a little color.
I think that's
Oh,
Ooh, easy. Take it easy, Estelle. You're making me. Then we just mix it up. Oh,
Yeah.
that's deep.
You like the color, eh, for the second one?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was nice.
it's gonna looking really good.
Looks perfect, Neil.
It's a little rough.
That's right. That should be enough. You can pour the beef and then
Slap my
if you
glove
want
on.
a glove and just mix it.
Okay, Kim.
I'm gonna edit this.
Oh, jeez. Okay, I gotta check you out. Okay,
That should be good.
and we will slap it around,
That's right.
Yeah.
mix
Well
it up.
Mix it up.
And we're done with that. We'll put that
I
to
will
the
touch
side.
the oil.
Okay.
What's
well,
that?
the oil just a second. So let's make the juice first.
And I'll make the juice. Okay, we'll put this to the side.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll take my glove off.
Right there, a little garbage.
Little garbage can right here.
that's right.
I
Perfect.
don't remember the last 5 seconds. Okay, a little bit of this.
That's
Yeah.
right.
That's sweet rice
making
cooking
my-
wine, right?
Sweet rice.
cooking wine.
How
Yeah.
much do you think there?
That should be enough.
That's lots.
Yeah.
A little bit of sugar.
Yeah.
That's sugar. This one, right?
This is salt. This is
A
sugar.
little bit of salt
No, oh wait, this is sugar.
This
we
is-
want about 2 teaspoons. So
of these.
yeah.
Okay. One.
A little bit more. Okay. Another half.
Another half.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Perfect.
And a little bit of salt.
That's right. Yeah.
You guys like it salty.
Yeah.
A little bit of.
We do. We want a little bit of that.
A little bit of this. A little
we-
bit of light.
A little bit more of the soy sauce. Yeah, the light soy sauce.
A little bit more.
A little bit more. Yeah.
Perfect.
And you have your vinegar.
A little bit of vinegar.
A little bit of vinegar. Careful, this is big.
Just
That's
right.
the technique.
That's how you're supposed to do it, Chef Wang. Like that.
Make vinegar French fries. Okay. And then that's it.
That's good.
That's the sauce.
That's the sauce.
All right. So now we go over to the trusty
That's come over here.
burn a hand.
Burn your pan. Okay, you ready, Neil?
Okay, I'm gonna put this in first, right? Or am I gonna do my ginger first?
We're gonna do this one first.
Okay.
So we're gonna do 2 rounds of the deep fried.
Okay.
This time. We're gonna do it and then coming back, bring the heat up and pull it back
Okay.
and then bring over.
Oh, we're
when
gonna
we-
do it twice.
Well, yeah, when we do it twice, when we do the second time, we're gonna do this and
Okay.
that together, and we wanna cook the veggie. over
He has
there.
no idea.
I got no freaking idea what you said. Okay.
All I remember,
I'm going in.
2 times. 2 times.
Oh, there's a go.
All right. So
Okay.
you wanna do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Oh, watch it, Neil. Careful, don't. Easy.
All right.
Chopsticks.
Try the
Is your chopstick? You got a little chopstick?
Yeah, I will Actually, that pot is really hot.
Okay.
So here, and then you want to hold it?
Yep, I got
And
it.
I'll bring the chopsticks here.
Oh, there you go.
Chopsticks is like super
Good.
convenient for cooking.
Everything,
Eh?
yeah. Looks good.
Okay.
All right.
And Neil doesn't know what exactly is happening over there.
I'm losing it.
And 2 times fried.
Yeah. The first time, 1 minute.
So we're not gonna do this at all yet?
No.
I'm gonna do this.
When we finish the first round, we're gonna start over there.
Okay.
And we're gonna do the second round.
What do you say, Neil? That's a scary face.
Got the beef,
Oh,
super nice.
do most restaurants do like the 2 times fried? Do you think?
They're pre-cooked, but, eh?
Yeah, they pre-cooked, so they have to deep fry it and leave it there. They deep fry it about 70% cooked.
Yeah.
And leave it there. When customer come, we'll do the second round.
Oh.
That's what we're doing.
Am I putting the beef back in that bowl?
That's right.
Okay.
So now the first time done. Look at the color here.
Oh yeah, that's a good one, Miss. Oh yes, that's the one.
Is that the one?
That's the one, baby.
All right, we're gonna start over there.
Okay.
So we're gonna,
What do you think?
Yeah.
Medium?
yeah, just turn all the way.
All the way high?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Little bit of
your
oil.
there.
Excuse me there,
You wanna
ma'am.
wait for it then?
Let the pan heat up a little bit.
Yeah.
There, ma'am.
Any
You're in my way, ma'am.
words of Neil's not gonna remember any of this.
Fucking steps.
What step are you on? Put your finger in there.
Kind of cutting into my fucking stuff.
All right, now we're gonna put some more.
Okay.
Perfect.
Good.
Yep, that's lots.
That's lots, eh?
Yep.
Okay, a little bit of ginger.
Throw your ginger in
Where's
right
your
there.
Little,
Right here.
little,
You want to use that?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
gee.
all of it. Might as well use it all, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Neil, don't poke an eye out with the chopsticks.
Excuse me there, ma'am. I'm busy right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna put all this back.
Okay, go do your sauce, man.
I wondered, can he shut it off now?
Turn it down.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Onion?
Put the garlic and
Onion?
yeah,
Onion right now?
Yep.
onion.
Do you think I should use it all?
Yep.
Might as well, right?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. And a little garlic, might as well put it in.
That's right.
Might as well make it garlicky.
Garlicky.
Put all my dishes right there.
The big pan is in a way.
Yeah. And we want to do a little bit different this time. We're gonna fry this.
Okay.
Here. So just keep frying it. I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce. About half of the sauce.
Okay.
The green pepper too?
What's that? That comes very
Last. No, that comes last, man. Should I turn the heat up or is that good?
Yeah, we should turn the heat up. Sorry. Sorry about that. Yeah. You want to move it to the center, actually.
Oh yeah, okay.
Right here.
Yep.
Okay. we didn't deep fry this one, so we're gonna cook
A little
that
longer.
one a little longer
Yeah.
there. Sure. This is pretty much done here.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
Oh, you can smell the ginger, eh?
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Alright, I'm gonna make the cornstarch. So
How's it
Half
looking,
teaspoon
chef?
of
Half
cornstarch.
teaspoon.
Yeah. I'm using this one because we have some ginger left.
Oh yeah, okay. Ooh, easy. Thank you.
Okay, are we ready?
Extra.
Okay.
Okay, put that
Turn
juice.
the heat up, and I'm gonna roll the beef here, and put the pepper.
Right now?
Yeah.
I'll throw it all in.
Tonic, Neil. Get your hand on that heat.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Then we'll let her sit.
Yeah, let it sit.
Let it sit.
Yeah. All right. Mix.
Oh, watch it there, Estella. I'll
just
slap you with
about
some beef. Little salt.
And we're okay.
It's all done?
We're all done.
Oh, yeah. Good?
Yeah, we're good.
Order up.
Oh,
Nice.
Order up.
that Chinese restaurant in
Get the hell out
Canwood
there.
would not be able to compete with you, Neil.
Sell them some pop too.
Sell them some more. Do I charge extra for rice? White rice?
You just sit.
Oh, that
Oh,
looks...
we'll get to watch it.
Oh,
And a little sesame.
oh, little sesame look like
That's pretty good.
Nice. Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh. Power is low.
All right.
Picture time.
Picture time. Crispy ginger beef. Bitches.
Looks good.
Yeah, try a little bit.
Okay, look, Estelle, let's take a picture of you before you're...
That's good.
Looks good, Neil. Hey,
You like
the,
star?
what's that restaurant, Star Egg or Star House in PA?
good.
No, they hire new chef. Neil,
It's a little saltier.
You go saltier? Yeah.
here's your phone.
Somebody put too much sauce.